Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to get or find Chewy promo codes in 2025. So in order to get the best offers and discount, the first thing that you need to do is to simply come on chewy.com's website, and over here you just have to simply take a look at the banner or the home page in order to find the best working promo codes. As you can see that you can get 20% off with the help of this code, that is RX20, and it is on your first pharmacy order, and you can get 2025 off to a healthy start. So your account should be new, and with the new account you can use this promo code to get 20% off. This is the first thing that you need to do, because most of the time you can find the best offers on the official websites. Now if you want to get more offers on top of it, you just have to simply search for Chewy promo codes 2025. Now once you search for it, you will see the official website of Chewy, where you just have to open the link in a new tab, and then you can even come to this website, that is coupon.com. So here you will see today's deals, so you can just check it out and you can find your favorite items over here. In the second method, you can come on coupons.com, and here you will see all of the working coupon codes as of January 2025. As you can see that currently 32 deals and coupon codes are open, and now you just have to simply click on the see coupon option and it will show you the coupon code. This is the welcome code, and it is available for new and existing customers, so you can try this coupon code on chewy.com and you are good to go. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.